Okay, so we're on the second drawing here. Do your center lines that goes around your circle. Okay, so we're going to do our total length and then our total height. So if we look at our total length, it is 75. We're starting with the front view. And then we're going to the height, which is this 20 plus the 20. So I'm going to scribe both the 20s, and that will give me my 40 because I want them on this view here. So 20 and 20, and then I'm just going to do my projection. Okay, so if I look at my view here, I have my height, I have my length. I now need to basically find this little lip thing that goes on here, okay? So I have that first 20, I have the second 20. I want the width of this, and if we look at this width, it goes all around. So here, that 10, you see, it goes all around. So that means that that width will also be 10. So I'm going to set my compass on 10. And then from there, it is on the left-hand side. So on the left-hand side, I will scribe that 10. And I will scribe the 10 this way as well, so that I have two scribes here to do my projections. And then I'll scribe my 50 as well. So there's my 50. And then I'm going to just do projections so that I can fill in my details that I need for my drawing. Okay, so I just also need to scribe this 10 here. I did forget about this one little one there. So just scribe that 10. There, and project it across. I'm going over my lines that I know that will be solid. I will go over them in solid. Okay, so my front view is basically done. I just need to fill in my hidden details. Please also don't forget this solid line there, because that one indicates the bend in my drawing here at the top. Okay, so don't forget that one. And then I just need this hidden detail, so that is on 20. So I'm going to scribe 20. There. I will do my projection to my top view as well. And then I'll just do this hidden detail there. And I'm just going to do this projection for this line as well, because I have not done that. Okay, so now my front view is done. I'm going to my top view. So if I look at my top view, I have 5 distances that I have to look at for my width. I already have all my lengths that I need, okay, because I have projected everything to the top. So that's what makes projection easy. So I have these two 25s here, which will give me the 50, okay, and then I have these 15, 20, 15, which I need, okay. So I'm first going to just scribe overall 25, 25 on which side? On my left hand side. Sorry, I think I moved this. That's fine. Okay, so from the edge here, 25, 25. Okay, so I've done those two 25s. I have them, and then I'm going to scribe on my right hand side here the 15, the 20, and the 15 again. So easy to do that is I just set my compass on 15, and then from this side I'm going to scribe 15. Don't reset your compass to 10, just project this line across, okay, and then where your construction here, so just make sure it is still on 15, okay, from there, on that side now, I scribe my 15, so the distance in the middle will be 20, okay, so that is what you can do. I just see I have a very skew projection here. I just want to fix this one. Okay. Okay, so now I can basically go and fill in my drawing. I want to do a cross projection here. Okay. And here I want to do these ones going that way. Up to there. Up to there. So now basically my top view is done. Can you guys see that already? Okay. So if you can't, it's fine. You will see it now. So there. There. So do you guys see, I always try to first do most of my lines that I'm already working on before I go and I change like my direction. So I did vertically, I first did 2 horizontal lines, then I did all my vertical lines, and now I'm just completing my horizontal lines for my view. Okay, so there's my top view. Okay, this line will go all the way through because of that line there. Okay, so this line will go all the way through. You won't see hidden detail here, but you'll see hidden detail there for that piece going through there. So if you had to look at that, there's actually a line going through there, and then let's just check here, round about there up to the top. Okay, so this line will then be hidden detail, which is very easy. We already have that projection. You can just go over. Oh, yes. There's my hidden detail. Okay, so then that view is done. I'm going to do projection across to my 45. I've already done projection here. I'm just going to extend this projection a little bit. Do projection here. do projection there. So I just did all my points that I haven't projected to the side. And now here I'm going to do projection. That line's already projected. Here up to my 45. From there up to my 45. And there up to my 45. And this one I have already projected. So now I will go down. Okay, so I'm going to project down. From exactly where the construction line, the projection, touches my 45, I need to project down, okay? So you cannot work inaccurately here, otherwise your dimensions are not going to be right, and you're going to lose a full drawing's marks, okay, if the projection is not correct. Okay, so please make sure your projection is correct. Okay, so now I'm looking at it from the right-hand side. What do I see on my right-hand side? I see this, I see that, I see that, I see that, and I can see this bottom piece here. Okay, so firstly, what I'm going to look at is I'm going to first draw in all my horizontal lines. I'll have a full baseline here at the bottom. Even though this gap goes in here, there's still that line there, which when we change the view to two-dimensional, goes to in line with this here, okay? So it's not actually in line, but that's how it looks like. There. There. And how do I know where to stop my line? I look at my projection. Okay, so I've looked at my projection. Where does it come from? Where does it go? Okay. So I've done all my horizontal projection. Or solid lines, actually not projection. Then I'm going to vertical. Down there. Okay, and there's my right-hand view. So then if I look at this little piece here, is that there? Oh, sorry, I've missed two lines. Sorry. These ones here. That's one. And that's one. Okay, so then this space that you're seeing here is basically this open empty space that we are now seeing there. And then these two front pieces there. Okay, guys.